Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 13th, and here's our ELA lesson. All right, let's get started. Here's our I can statement. I can decode compound words. All right, what do we need to do to this I can statement? Let's break it down. Break it down. I can. Say it with me. I can decode. What does it mean to decode? Right, sound out or stretch out. And I will write that right up top so we will remember it. Sound out. A compound words. We're going to do compound words. Does anyone remember what a compound word is? We did a little bit towards the beginning of the school year. Right, a compound word is when you have two short words or two little words that you put together and they make a whole new word. Okay, so a compound is when you have two short words and then you put them together and they make one new big word. All right, let's read it back together. Ready? I can, say with me, I can decode or sound out compound words. A compound word is when you have two short words and you put them together and they make a whole brand new word. All right, does anyone know what this is a picture of? Right, this is a picture of a football. Football is a compound word. You have foot and ball. Foot, completely different word than ball, right? But when you put it together, it makes a whole brand new word. A football, right? Nice job. Okay, here's a couple other examples of compound words. Ready? We have bath and then tub. Put it together. Bathtub. Two short words, put them together, makes a whole new word. Okay. Ready? We have snow, like snow falling from the sky, and then man. Put it together. Snowman. Nice job. What's this last one? We have pop, and then we have corn. Put it together. Popcorn. Pop, and then corn. Two short words, and we put them together, and it makes a whole new, brand new word. All right, boys and girls, get out your whiteboard and your marker, okay? We are going to build some compound words together, okay? Get ready. All right, ready? Here's our first one. I'm going to write it right here. Rain, R, spell it with me, A-I-N, like rain that falls from the sky, rain. And then, ready? Bow. Like you can wear a bow in your hair or you can put a bow on a Christmas tree. Bow. Put it together and our word is rainbow. Two short words. Completely different, right? Rain and bow. Put it together. You get a whole new, brand new word. All right, let's try another one. Ready? Write on your board. Erase your board. Erase, and then you can write sun. S-U-N, right? Like the sun is shining outside, sun. And then you can put set, like I set something down on the table. But when you put it together, it's a whole new word. Sunset, and that's when the sun goes down at nighttime. It makes it dark. Sunset. Let's try another one. Let's try birth. B-I-R-T-H, and then day. Whoa. D-A-Y. And we have birthday. Birthday. Nice job. And these are all examples of what? Compound words. What's a compound word? When you have two short words, and you put them together and it makes a whole new, brand new word. One. So you have two little words, put them together and it makes one big word. Nice job. All right. We can't forget we have our high frequency words. All right, read it with me. Remember. Say it. Remember. Remember. Remember last year you were in kindergarten? Remember. Nice job. Room. Say it with me. Room. Our classroom is room 166. Room. Nice job. Picture. Picture. I love the picture you drew the other day. Picture. Nice job. Thought. Say it with me. Thought. I thought you would know this word. Thought. Stood. Stood. I stood in the doorway and waited and waited and waited. Stood. All right. And these are our high frequency words. Very nice job. Alrighty. Please get out your packet that says Monday, April 13th, 4/13. We're going to go over this together. All right. Let's read the words together. It has boat. Say it. Boat. Man. Paper. Watch. You're reading these with me. Boat. Man. Paper. Watch. All right. Let's do the first few together. We have news. That's number one. Look at number one. It says news. All right, so it goes news boat? No. Newsman? No. Newspaper? Yes. So you will write paper on the line, and then you will draw the line to the picture of the paper. Then you'll go to number two. It says row. Is it rowboat? Yeah. And then you'll write boat on the line and connect it to the paper. Cross off as you go. I'm going to leave the next two, 3 and 4, for you. And there's the picture of wrist. That's what number 3 says. And then number 4 says snow. All right. Going down to number 5. Find the compound word. Mark the bubble to show your answer. All right. I'm going to read the words for number 5. Okay. Tell me which one is the compound word. Raining. Rainy. Raincoat. All right. Ready? Rain-ing. Is ing a word, boys and girls? No, that's an ending. So it's not that. Rainy. Rain and is a word, but is e a word? No. What about raincoat? Yeah, that's a compound word. Color that bubble. All right, let's look at number 6. Popcorn. Pop-e. Pop-ing. Right, popcorn is the compound word. So color in the bubble. Nice job. Flip to the next page. It's your high frequency words. Let's read them together. Ready? Say it with me. Idea. Idea. Number 2, the next one. Picture. Say it. Picture. The next one. Remember. Remember. Going down to room. Room. The next one. Stood. Stood. The next one. Thought. Thought. The last one in the box. Cookies. Cookies. All right, I'm going to read this aloud to you and say the answer, and we're going to figure out the answers together, and you'll be able to fill in the blanks, okay? All right. Number 1. I blank my funny dream I had last night. Let's go through the box. Idea my funny dream I had last night? No. I picture my funny dream I had last night? No. I remember my funny dream I had last night. Yes, and you will write remember on the top line. Remember for number one. Number two, let's do. I was in a blank with long curtains. Then a crocodile came and ate all my biscuits. I was in a idea with a long curtain. No. I was in a picture with a long curtain. Nah. I was in a room with a long curtain. Yes. Room is number two. Room is number two. All right, let's go to number three. I stood up and looked in a cradle. Number three, I blank up and looked in a cradle. If you were paying attention, I just said the answer. The answer is stood. Nice job. Okay, number four. I promise I won't give it away this time. It had a blank of cookies. It had a blank of cookies. It had a picture of cookies. It had idea of cookies. It had thought of cookies. It had cookies of cookies. What do you think makes sense? This one's tricky. It had a picture of cookies. Picture. So picture is number four. Number five. I woke up and blank. That dream was odd. I woke up and idea that dream was odd? No. I woke up and stood that dream was odd? No. I woke up, I thought that dream was odd. I woke up and thought that dream was odd. So thought is number five. Go to number six. Then I had a good blank. Then I had a good idea. Or then I had a good cookies. No, idea is number six. Number six. Then go to number seven. I would have blank for breakfast. I would have cookies for breakfast. So you should have this all filled in. Very nice job. Go to the last page. The last page is about popcorn. You'll read the story. Underline the answer to each question. Okay. You'll read the story. Okay. Read the story up top. And then it'll say, what is the story all about? Number two, what is the big idea of the story? And number three, why do you think some people wore strings of popcorn? Okay. Boys and girls, thank you for working so hard today with me. I'm so proud of you. Remember, a compound word is what? What is a compound word? What? What was a compound word? Right. It's two short or little words that when you put it together and they make a whole brand new word. Like popcorn, popcorn, snowman, snowman, cupcake, cupcake. Great job, boys and girls. Thank you for working so hard with me today. Remember, wash your hands. Miss you. Love you. Bye.